Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 14 Pro 128 gigabyte, and you can see this the battery capacity is 86%, and this is LL version, means this is a US version, and this also unlocked. This is 无锁, I mean Chinese word means it's unlocked, and okay, this cycle count 843. You can see this no scratch here, no scratches, the buttons, and you can see the charging port, no problem. Also the button, no problem, no scratches. The beautiful machine, the beautiful machine. You can see beautiful machine, and there's a little dent here, a little dent. Can you see it? A little dent, and not serious. Okay. And okay, let me show you the battery. I forget, I don't still show you the battery. You can see the battery. The capacity is 86%. Okay, this is a beautiful color. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. This price is about 3,400. This is iPhone 14 Pro. Also, there's a lot of machines. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can see a lot of machine in the market. You can see so many phones. If you want to buy, you can contact me. All right. Okay. See you in the next video.